New this morning, the U.S. Department of Education calls it a hidden educational crisis since the pandemic. Students nationwide continue to be absent from the classroom. And according to the Department of Education, chronic absenteeism can lead to higher dropout rates, low academic achievement, and poor outcomes later in life. It's a problem many of our local school districts are facing, including Alexandria, Virginia. Marcella Robertson recently sat down with the new superintendent to talk about how ACPS is working to address this problem.
2 months into the school year in Alexandria, new superintendent Dr. Melanie K. Wyatt says one of her top priorities is tackling chronic absenteeism.
That's concerning for us as a school division.
The term defined as students who miss 10% or more of a school year, both unexcused and excused absences.
Each and every day missed for them is a chance that they're going to miss out on something that's going to make them successful in the future.
In Virginia, the number of chronic absences jumped from about 10% in 2019 to 19% last school year, with similar numbers at ACPS.
Before the pandemic, we were under 10%. I believe it was about 8%. After the pandemic, we were sitting at around 16%.
To combat the problem, this year, ACPS changed the way it notifies parents if a student isn't at school. It's through an app called Parent Square. A notification goes out 3 times a day to parents, morning, midday, and 6 p.m.
So parents have 3 opportunities to know about their child's absences. There's hopes that they will connect with their student to ensure that they get to school.
The hope is also that the new system will help with truancy issues at the high school level and eliminate safety concerns of students leaving school and gathering at nearby Bradley Shopping Center.
We do have rotations where our senior leadership team goes out into the community to patrol some of the areas outside of the high school to see if we see students who are maybe, visiting places that they shouldn't be visiting and they should be in school.
There's also a brand new attendance task force this year.
That new task force is really focused at reaching the population of students who fall into that chronic absenteeism rate and just how can we better support them. Part of working on this attendance issue that we're experiencing is really building the culture. And I think if our students and families see that we're trying to change the culture and making sure that they feel welcomed into our schools, that they will really want to come and be involved.
That was Marcella Robertson reporting. Educators say there are a number of factors that play into chronic absenteeism, but mental health is believed to be a big driver of that issue. ACPS has also implemented a new program where students can get mental health services during the school day with parent permission.